you. So this is Ankita Rala. My student ID is 1014111810, and today I'm going to explain you a group project. I'll be explaining my part of the group project. So this is the main activity.java file. And here is the design for the main activity. We have 4 card views in this: admin portal, POS, register time, and order history. So to access the admin portal, I have created a dialog here. Sorry, just 1 minute. I've created an admin dialog. So the design of the admin dialog looks like this, and then I will go to the Java file, admin dialog Java file, which so to get access to the admin portal, we have to enter the credentials. If the credentials are correct, then we can go to the admin portal. Now I'll just show you. This is the admin portal. So we have manage POS and manage employees. I'll be explaining manage POS. So the manage POS at the Java file is here. We have used the file the database named Firestore to fetch the data. So this is the manage activity file. I'll go to the Firestore to show you the implementation. So this is the Firestore that we have used to fetch the data. This is the beverage items, and as you can see, we have a item named coffee, and the description for this. I'll go to the emulator. This is this is how the app is working. This admin portal PLS and register time, order history. Then I'll go to the admin portal. I'll enter the details. So now I'll go to the manage POS. As you can see, these are the sections we have. Yeah, that's everything for now. Thank you.
Hi, respected sir. My name is Paramanil Kumar Patel and my student ID is 11411 So I will be showing the edit section and edit item parts of the POS system. First, this is the page of edit sections. We can add a section by clicking plus button on here. If we click a plus button, it will lead us to a dialog box for adding section. This is the dialog box for adding section, and this is the Java sites. We need to provide a section name over here, and it will pass the data to listener, and the listener will be passing data to other class for adding the data over here, which is in manage POS activity. So we are storing the data, storing the section in Firestore. After that, sorry, 1 minute. Yeah, this is the manage item activity, and it is the same like the section, but here we have the option to delete view as well as create the item as well. If we click on the plus button, it will lead us to the adding item dialog. The design part is here, and the Java part is here. So we need to provide a name, description, and price, and the data will be stored in a Firebase. And this is the Java part. Here we have mentioned we have created a store item in Firestore here. I will show you the implementation. First, I will go to admin portal and then manage POS. Here we can see the 4 types of section. I'll go to food and I will click on the plus button to add item. I'll just create a item over here, and I will set the price over here. As we can see, the item is added over here, and as well as in the Firebase as well. We will refresh the page and we will see it was under the food section items. As you can see, the burger is added here. That was my part. Thank you so much.
I'll be explaining the manage employee for our app. So as you can see, after running, this is the homepage that you can see, and I'll click on admin portal. I'll enter the ID and password for admin, and after entering, as you can see, it's manage POS and manage employees. So I'll click on manage employees, which is my part. So this is the structure that I've made. You can see the employee. By clicking on the employee, you can see the employee data, which is name, email, contact number, position, and the address. And if you want to add a new employee, you can click on add button, and you can add, let's say I'll enter my name. Let's say my code is 3, my email is this, and my contact number is, let's say, this, position be manager, and address, let's say, Canada. And I'll add. As you can see, the employee has already been added to the list, and we have connected the Firebase as well. So after refreshing, as you can see in the employees section, there is one new employee added by the name Drashti. So you can see with the code 3. So the database is also updated. So further, if I want to delete an employee, so I can just click on let's say I'll just delete mine. So I'll delete Drashti. So as you can see, this deleted here, and yeah, so yeah, let me delete one more. So as you can see, I've deleted Rushil as well. So after refreshing, it will be gone from here as well. So yeah, so after clicking on edit here, let's say I'll edit the name, the position from manager to employee, and I'll save it. So after that, if you click on this, the position here is updated. So let me go back. So that was my part. Now let me stop the application and I'll show you the code. So this is my manage employee code. So yeah, I've determined the on edit, on view, and on delete methods here. And yeah, on employee added method also is represented here. Then this is my employee card adapter, which is showing what to do after clicking, which is handling the clicks. This is my XML for add employee dialog. As you can see here, this is a dialog that I've made after adding employee. This is the view employee dialog that you see after I click on the employee. You can view the employee data. After that, here this is the edit employee dialog.java, and you can see its structure on in here. Yeah, this one. So yeah, that's all from my part. This is the file store that we have connected to store the database. So that's all from my part. Thank you.
Hello Professor, myself Om Makwana, and I'll be showing you my part, which is POS section. Okay, so this is my, like, the application is running already, like I already started it. Let me go to the POS section. So as you can see over here, my previous member who has already added these items in my POS, that's why it's showing over here, which is pav bhaji, biryani, and burger. So so Manage POS is the manager portal in which you can edit the POS, like admin portal. Sorry. So as you can see, there's a drink section, beverage section, wing section. It's just all for the demos. Okay. So when anyone wants to, like, place an order and want to add the item to the cart, if I press the plus icon, it will toast that pav bhaji added to the cart. So if I want to add anything, like make it more spicy or something, I can also add the note for that. So as you can see, note saved for the make it spicy. Whenever I go to the pav bhaji, as you can see, whenever I go to the cart section, it will show me the pav bhaji. If I increase the quantity, it will not change the price because our backend is still in the process. And as our project requirement, we have just we are just set up the whole front end because backend, that's a project requirement, and the backend thing we are still working on it. Okay, let me go back. So this was my whole POS system. Let me also show you the what's going on in my POS activity in the code. So as you can see, there is a we are fetching this sections from the Firestore, which is our database stored in the Firebase. Okay, and then there is also one thing which we are saving the order to Firestore, and then we are adding the items to the cart. So what it will go to the cart activity, and it will basically create the cart and fill the items which we have selected. Okay, and if we want to, so this function I've already added, but it's not working properly as it should be, but we are still working on the backend process, so some of the small issues are there, but still. Let me also show you the POS activity XML. This is the all design which I have created. Basically this is the code. It's just viewing the whole POS, and the list will come accordingly as the manager will or the admin will be adding the items. So that's all my part.
Hey there, I'm Ashwini Kumar Tamakwal, and my student ID is 101413662. Over here, this is the main portal for the ManageX. We have 4 different cards: admin portal, POS register time, and the order history. As you can see, this is the main activity XML diagram over here. This is the Java code for the main activity. Today I'm going to present to you the register time. Register time is right over here. If you'll press on the register time, you'll see the alert box. So the alert box is right over here. This is the overview of it. And yeah, this is the Java code for it. As you can see, this is the credential side over here. It's a dummy right now, and when you press it, this is going to get through it, return time activity, and when you are in the page, you'll get to see the register time, clock in or clock out. For that, the code is right over here. We have used Firebase Firestore for that, and to store the timings of it, we have used the save time Firestore. The code is right over here. And let's go to the ManageX portal. Register time, let's write 1111, enter. You are in the register time. You can clock in now. As you can see, it's 17:14. So as you can see, 5:14, it's a 24-hour time format. And this is the Firebase. You can refresh. As you can see, we just clocked in. It's right over here, 17:14 clocked in. And you can clock out. It's showing 17:14 clock out. Let's refresh the page again. And you can see 17:14 clock out. That's also. Thank you for your time.
Hi, my name is Karan Prajapati, and this is the video demonstration for our group project with group number 22. So here you can see that this is our home page for our application, and here you can see our order history. So for this project, I have created this order history. So if you tap over here in our order history, you can see that open orders and closed orders, and here you can see list of orders. So if we search it, then let's see, we want to search for the order 004. So if we search it, we can able to see specific order in our navigation tab. And so let's take example for our code. So in our order, here you can see our order model, where it can get order number and we can see order status. And in our order activity, we have created different methods. This is our onCreate method, where you can see it will create order, and then this is our search view method, where it will implement the search logic in it. So yes, that's it. And for our XML activity underscore and order.xml file, here you can see that for our image, we have different attributes. We have our linear layout for our navigation bar, and for our search bar we have put a different kind of layouts with specific design. And this is our edit text with order number and search bar hashtag. And yes, that's it. So yes, thanks for watching.